Destinations are a powerful way to categorize your trips based on the location they take place in, like Nepal, Japan, or Italy. This helps your travelers quickly find trips to the specific places they want to explore. Each destination shows a featured image, the destination name, and the number of trips available. When a traveler clicks a destination, they can see all the related trip packages. Let's set this up for your site. To display this grid, you need a page with the correct settings. If you are using one of our official WP Travel Engine themes, a destinations page is usually already created for you. Simply go to Pages, then All Pages to find it. If you don't have one, click Add New and title it Destinations, and add a short description. First, check the template setting in the right-hand sidebar. Under the Page tab, ensure you have selected Destinations Template. This tells the system to generate the automated grid layout. Next, you must set a featured image for this page. Choose a high-quality landscape photo that represents your brand. Once done, click Publish. Then click View Page to see your changes live. As you can see here, the featured image you set appears as this large, full-width banner at the top of the Destinations page. Now, let's define the specific destination categories that will appear in your grid. Go to Trips in your dashboard and click on Destinations. On the left, you can add a new destination. First, enter the name, such as Nepal or Japan. The slug will be created automatically based on the name. Next, if you want to create a hierarchy, you can assign a parent destination. For now, you can leave it as none. Later in this video, I will show you how to set a parent destination using an existing one. You can skip the description field as it shows according to themes. Then, use the image section to upload a thumbnail. This is the specific image that appears inside the grid box for this destination. After that, add a short description. Once you are done, click Add New Destination. On the right side of the screen, you can manage your existing destinations and see exactly how many trips are assigned to each one. You can also edit or delete any destination from here. Now let me show you how to assign a parent destination to an existing one. For example, we are going to set Chitwan as a subcategory under Nepal. To do this, click Edit on the Chitwan destination. Here you can see the Edit Destinations screen. Simply go to the Parent Destinations dropdown and select Nepal. Once you have selected it, scroll down and click Update. Chitwan is now nested under Nepal as a subcategory, creating a clean hierarchy for your travelers to navigate. Once you've created a destination, click View. As you can see, the destination page is live, but it currently shows no results found because we haven't assigned any trips to it yet. So let's do that now. Open any trip by going to Trips and clicking Edit. On the right-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Destinations meta box. Simply check the boxes for all destinations that apply to this trip here. We are assigning our trip to the destination we just created. After you hit Save, the trip count on your main destinations page will automatically update. You can follow the same process to assign any of your other trips to their relevant destinations. Now, if we go back and view the destination page on the front end, you can see it is no longer empty. The trips we assigned are now showing up perfectly in the results. Notice that in the destination filter, Chitwan is nested right under Nepal as a subcategory. This makes it very easy for your travelers to browse destinations by region and find exactly what they are looking for. By organizing your trips into destinations, you make your website much more user-friendly, helping travelers find and book their dream adventure with ease. If you have any questions, visit our documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!